guys, welcome back to my channel. It's okay, Anora, and I'm back with another video, guys. As you can see, my hair is well rolled, you know, my hair is well curled. As you can see from the title from down below, you already know what I'm about to do today, guys. I will be showing you how I achieve these curls on my hair, like how I achieve these bouncing curls. Like you guys can see the curls. I mean, the hair is popping like with nothing. I use just water and rollers to achieve this curl with no heat, like no heat on my bundles, no heat. This is a wig cap I'm carrying on right here. So for those who did not see how I create this wig cap, I will just put the link down below, or I will link it up at the side. So guys, if you want to see how I achieve this look, like how I achieve the curls, not the look in general, like the curls on this hair, please just keep watching. And please do not forget to do hit the subscribe button from down below if it's your first time stopping by my channel. I love you also very much for always tuning into my channel, like always showing me support to my channel, the love that you guys have been showing to me. I really do appreciate it. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, going in with your rolling, what I used was just water, talcum, and my rollers. So that's all what I use. So just going in and combing the hair, like to make the hair free tangle. That's what it's doing right now. So guys, these are the rulers that I'm using in rolling the hair. These are the forming rulers I'm using. So going in with my rulers, you can see I remove the clip. So I just go in with the first one for my side, for my face side. I go in from behind, like I take it from behind to free my face when I'm styling the hair. The hair should be behind, not coming in. So I'm going in and putting a little bit of water on the hair and to moisten the hair. When you put water on your natural burns, on your natural hair, to moisten your hair, right? So I just go in with my Brazilian bundles. I always make sure I put water there when I'm rolling. So at the end of the rolling, you have that moist hair, you know. So in each session I go in with, I must go in with water before I roll it. So now guys, this is the last one I'm going in with. So the same thing I'm doing right here, I'm just taking it off my face, I'm rolling it from behind. So that's just what your girl did. And from here you can see literally how I rolled the hair. Like I put the rollers into it and I start rubbing the hair, you know, like taking it in, not out. You're rolling it from in, you're not taking it out, the outer part. No, you're taking it in, like you're taking it to roll behind. I don't know if you guys can understand what I'm trying to say. So that's what I just did, and I think that is all about the rolling that I did. And I will just let it sit for the next day, and that's how your hair should be looking like when you're done with the rolling and everything. So guys, I will just go in now. The next day, like, I'll just let this sit there for us, and I go in with the next day and the styling. I know most of you are waiting, so that is it. So guys, this is the next day. So I'll just go in now and I place the cap on my head. So I go in like this. So I'll just go in now and start taking it off. So guys, this is good. So I'll just go in now and I comb the hair, brush it out. I'll just go in now with this comb and I brush the hair out, like, and I comb it out. As you can see the hair, guys. So this is how the hair is looking like. So you guys can see there's a pressure. So the sides look nice. So I just go in there and I comb this. So guys, now I'll just go in and I comb the front part. So I'll just go in and brush it all around. And guys, this is how the hair is looking like. So this is how the hair turns out. As you can see, the curves are really bouncy. So this is how you can So guys, this is the final look. I did not do anything, like I did not put anything, I didn't put any oil, nothing on the hair. I just combed the hair and that is it, and I'm good to go. So guys, you guys can see the curls. I mean, the curls are popping on this hair. So this is a very simple way that you can achieve curls on your hair without heat. So this is what I did. I just rolled the hair overnight, and the following day I just move it off, and these are the curls that your girl got. So that's just all about the hair for today, guys. So I hope you guys love the video, and please, if you love the video and if you find the video helpful, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button from down below, and please turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get it. So guys, I think I'll be signing off from here. I love you all so very much. Bye, peace out.